One click. One forward. One share. Sometimes, that's all it takes to hurt someone. Islam addressed misinformation long before social media existed. Allah says in Quran, O you who believe! If a wrongdoer comes to you with news, verify it, lest you harm people in ignorance and then regret what you have done. This verse teaches a powerful rule. Not everything you hear should be shared. Forwarding unverified news, spreading rumors, sharing screenshots, or exposing someone's mistake. These are not small actions. A believer doesn't become a messenger for every message, because words travel faster than arrows, but their wounds last longer. Before speaking or posting, Islam asks one question: are you sure it is true? If you don't know, stop. Silence can be worship when it protects someone's honor. Comment, I will verify before I share. Save this before forwarding any message. Follow for Quranic guidance for modern life.